The save to Teamcenter is initiated by creating a baseline in EDM. We can do this several times throughout the design cycle, for example, to send the design BOM to Teamcenter for supply chain analysis. At this point, we are doing a full release with all of the manufacturing outputs, drawings, and such. The baseline I select ensures that all of the required files are present before sending the data to Teamcenter. After the baseline is created, the Teamcenter gateway opens. We can save the data to a new Teamcenter item or to an existing item. In this case, we have previously saved the BOM to Teamcenter, so we are saving to an existing item. The data is loaded in Teamcenter. The configuration management team does a final review and approval in Teamcenter, and when approved, they will formally release the design. This locks it from being revised in Teamcenter. When we are notified that the design is released in Teamcenter, we will release an EDM also to ensure the design cannot be edited. An ECO process would have to be executed in order to edit after that.